Hair loss has become a common problem nowadays. People go for the many solutions but got no results. So this video is going to give a natural solution for those people and explains how rosemary oil benefits the hairs in many ways. Rosemary oil contains essential nutrients and fatty acids that nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Dihydrotestosterone, a hormone related with hair loss in some individuals with androgenetic alopecia. Rosemary oil is found to inhibit the activity of 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT. By blocking DHT, the oil can help prevent hair loss associated with this hormone. Rosemary oil have rosmarinic acid, carnosic and caffeic acid-like compounds. These have been shown to improve microcirculation in the scalp. The oil has ability to stimulate hair follicles, activating them to enter the growth phase. This stimulation may cause increased hair density and thickness. Sebum, a natural oil needed for maintaining the moisture balance of the hair and scalp. When produced in excess, it can lead to scalp issues like dandruff and follicle blockage. When we use the mentioned oil, it helps regulate the production of sebum. Keratinocytes are the type of cells in the outer layer of skin and hair follicles. Rosemary oil can promote their growth, which may result in the formation of healthy hair shafts and follicles.